Hello, this is Jennifer from the Alpha Team Mission G. I find myself right now on the first floor, the second floor of the greenhouse, which is connected to the hospital because here you can find the medicinal plants. And first, we have dandelion yellow, which is good for reducing cholesterol, diabetes, blood sugar, and inflammation. It's also good for viral infections. And we have sunflower here, which is great for reducing the risk of developing serious conditions. Contains a lot of vitamin E and B1, which is great for nerve, muscle, and heart function. Here we have roses, which are good for the skin. It heals cuts and burns. It's good for the throat. And we have cactus, which grow in sand. It took me a while to figure that out. And cactuses are good for reducing blood pressure, cholesterol, risk of heart disease. We have cornflower back here. We have more sunflower and cornflower. Cornflower is great for reducing fever. It is good for constipation, water retention, and chest congestion. And last, we have our poppy flower, and that is great for it cures bladder and liver diseases, and it's also a muscle relaxant. So we use it for anesthesia. And now that we are here, Salki and I came up with this system of maintaining the plants by having a little bit of water in the middle. As you can see, some plants that are water loving, like the dandelions, have absorbed all of the water in the middle. I built the roof when I started this project. I had no idea how to build anything, so I started building. I practiced building the roof with green glass. I also did all the light in the building with end rods, and I changed like most of the material in the whole building using smooth quartz blocks. Everything was snow before, and I switched it to smooth quartz blocks and white concrete powder for the stairs. I used sea lanterns to provide light for the water since we also have an underground farm back here. We have some trees upstairs for building material, wood, and also to provide oxygen. Some of the trees are oak, spruce, birch, jungle, acacia, and dark oak. And back here, we need a room for waste. So the waste that comes from toilets and all over in the food and garbage comes through here through these tracks that I built, and they are turned into fertilizer. Ideally, these tracks would lead to outside, but what happened is that it was very hard to build slopes and get the tracks to go from underground to above ground. So this is our underground greenhouse, and here there are fruits and vegetables like pumpkin, watermelon. Back here are medicinal plants because they mushrooms only grow well without a lot of light, and mushrooms are good for protecting our heart. They have a lot of riboflavin, which is great for red blood cells, niacin, which is great for the digestive system. We have sugar cane to provide sugar, and we have carrots and potatoes, some more mushroom and dandelions. And here in our underground river, I changed the material from snow to white concrete powder, and I also added all these end rods that travel all over. This underground river has access to all parts of our Mission G world. Here